Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can fix Facebook app auto back problem on your iPhone, Android, or any device. So the first step that we can do here to fix the issue is by restarting your device. So turning it off and turning it back on can clear some glitches. So whether you're using an Android, iPhone, iPad, or Windows PC, so you just have to restart it. For example, here on iPhone, just press and hold either volume button and the side button, then drag the slider on the screen to power your phone off. Once done, press the side button again to turn your phone back on. Now, another way to fix the issue is by updating the Facebook app. So updating can also fix some app crashes. So you can update manually by going to your App Store for using iOS device or Google Play Store for using Android and Microsoft Store for using Windows PC. And from here, just have to go to the search icon at the bottom right and search for the Facebook app. Then if an update button shows up here, just need to tap on update. Now, the third method that I'm going to show you to be able to fix the issues by updating your own device. So yes, out of date software can have glitches and bugs. So to update, for example, your iPhone, go to General Settings, go to Software Update, and make sure to get the latest software. Now, another way to fix the issue is by clearing cache and data. So make more space on your device to stop the app from crashing. A full cache and lots of temporary files can clutter up your phone, your tablet, or computer and can cause Facebook to crash constantly. So since you can't clear app cache from settings on your iPhone or iPad, you'll need to offload or uninstall it on your device. So to do that, go to your settings, for example here, then go to General, go to iPhone storage, find the Facebook app right over here, and then tap on the offload app. You can also clear cache on the Facebook app. So all you need to do is go to your Facebook and then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Select on settings at the top right. And then from here, you can find an options where you can clear the browser cache. So in this case, if you can find any option, just use the search icon at the top right to basically search for it. So for example, here I'm going to use the search and type browser and then go for it, as you can see, and then tap on clear. Now, another way to fix the issue is by checking your internet connection. So an unstable network can cause Facebook to crash. For example, if you're using a connection that is in and out of service, then you probably won't get the best Facebook experience as the app crashes, but it can connect to the internet. So what you're going to do here is just need to switch to cellular data or Wi-Fi. For example, your data is fluctuating, you won't be able to seamlessly scroll down your timeline or newsfeed. So in this case, you can change it or switch it into Wi-Fi mode. Now, the next option that you can do here to basically fix the issue is by going to turning off the low data mode on your iPhone. So these settings can cause issues with Facebook and cause crashes. So if you want to turn this off, all you need to do here is go to your main settings or phone settings and look for the settings where you can turn off the low data mode. So here, if you can find that option, so all you need to do here, you can basically go to the settings, and as I've said earlier, you can use the search bar right there at the top and just type here low data mode. So there you go, or low power mode or low data mode. As you can see, just need to turn this off. Now, another way to fix the issues by turning off your VPN. So instead of improving your browsing experience, your VPN can be causing crashes. So turning this off from your PC or Android, iPhone, or iPad, and you can see if the Facebook stops crashing. So if you're using iPhone, you can basically turn off the VPN by going to the settings And then from here, go to General. Then scroll down to the bottom. You'll find VPN and Device Management. And from here, you need to disable this one here. Now, the last option that I want to show you to basically fix the issue is by reinstalling the Facebook app. So get rid of any current corrupted installed files that may be causing the crash. So uninstalling the app on Android, iPhone, or iPad by tapping and holding the icon and just tap on the delete app button and then go back to App Store and reinstall it. Now, if the problem persists, I recommend you using alternative ways on Facebook. For example, here you can use Facebook Lite. This app is designed for poor internet connection or older devices. So while things like your newsfeed load slower, at least it won't crash constantly. Now, next is by using a web browser. The web browser works on every device, including your smartphones, computers, tablets. So if the apps are constantly crashing, try using the web browser instead. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.